Hey everybody, it's Greg Migliore. Welcome inside the Acura Integra. This is the A-Spec model. Let's take a closer look at the interior. You've got the infotainment up top. This right here is probably one of the reasons you buy the car. This is the 6-speed manual. It shifts very smoothly, close. It's got a great feel. The clutch action feels pretty good. Come on out over here. Here's the different modes you can choose to tailor your drive experience. The HVAC. Coming out over here, pretty simple. You get the ELS Studio 3D speakers over there. Pretty simple looking interior. I kind of like that. You get a lot of car for your money. It's also simple in many ways with the Integra, but I just took it for a quick drive here at the North American Car, Truck, and Utility of the Year Awards, and I can tell you it was a lot of fun to drive. So that is the interior of the Acura Integra A-Spec.